Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a powerful topic to discuss: elevating your thoughts to elevate your life. If you've ever wondered how your mindset can shape your reality and bring about positive change, you're in for a treat. I'm your host, and together, we'll explore the transformative power of elevating your thoughts and how it can lead to a truly elevated life. So, let's dive right in and unlock the incredible potential within you. Your thoughts have an extraordinary influence on every aspect of your life. By elevating your thoughts, you can initiate a powerful ripple effect that permeates your actions, emotions, and overall well-being. So, how can you begin this journey of elevation? Step 1. Cultivate awareness. The first step is to cultivate awareness of your thoughts. Take a moment to observe the patterns and quality of your thinking. Are your thoughts predominantly positive, empowering, and optimistic? Or do you find yourself dwelling on negativity, self-doubt, and limitations? By becoming aware of your thought patterns, you can begin to consciously shift towards more elevated and positive thinking. Step 2. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a transformative practice that can elevate your thoughts and perspective on life. Take time each day to reflect on what you're grateful for, no matter how big or small. This simple act of gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life, fostering a positive and appreciative mindset. Step 3. Embrace self-compassion. Elevating your thoughts also involves embracing self-compassion. Be kind to yourself and replace self-criticism with self-love and acceptance. Understand that you are human, and mistakes and setbacks are part of the journey. Treat yourself with compassion, forgive yourself when needed, and focus on personal growth and learning. Step 4. Surround yourself with positivity. The company you keep greatly influences your thoughts and mindset. Surround yourself with positive, uplifting, and inspiring individuals. Engage in conversations that nurture growth and positivity. Seek out motivational books, podcasts, or videos that fuel your mind with empowering thoughts and ideas. Step 5. Visualization and affirmations. Harness the power of visualization and affirmations to elevate your thoughts. Create a vivid mental image of your desired outcomes and visualize yourself living the life you aspire to. Additionally, use positive affirmations that reinforce your worth, capabilities, and potential. Repeat these affirmations daily, and believe in their truth. And there you have it. A guide to elevating your thoughts and, in turn, elevating your life. Remember, by cultivating awareness, practicing gratitude, embracing self-compassion, surrounding yourself with positivity, and harnessing the power of visualization and affirmations, you can transform your mindset and create a life filled with abundance, joy, and fulfillment. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. If you have any questions or experiences to share, please leave them in the comments below. Remember, by elevating your thoughts, you have the power to elevate your life. Until next time, embrace the power within you and let your elevated thoughts shape your extraordinary life.